Emma, tutungan ko lang rin yung question ni Diva. So, as a beauty queen, they say that you have to use your voice.
Yes.
So nowadays, we're experiencing a lot of problems here in the Philippines. So, what is your message to all your fellow beauty queens and the kings out there who's afraid to speak out nowadays?
I can feel some of my beauty queen sisters kung bakit yung iba ay tahimik because let's face the reality. Some of the beauty queen will talk and then other people will comment negative about them. Some beauty queen will stay quiet pero may sasabihin pa rin po yung iba. What is my message to them is stay true to your core. Huwag niyong hayaan na ibang tao ang magmando sa inyo kung anong gusto niyo. You know the truth. You know yourself. You know better kung anong ang mas makakabuti sa lahat. So don't let other people be the captain of your own ship. Kayo lang po ang makakapagsabi. Nasa sa inyo. We have the platform. So I hope that you will use it in the right way.
That's it. Thank you so much.
What makes Emma grand? May ganon, Sherma.
What makes Emma grand? Okay, let's start with because I saw myself grow in the sense that I have goal. Next is, let's be realistic. Diba? With all the experiences I've been through, let's live in the reality. Next is O. This is an opportunity for us to have a back-to-back victory and another opportunity for us to represent our country again. And I will not waste it. Next is W. We need to have a way to move forward. So I think this is another way to move forward. And yun lang, all I can say is that makes Emma grand. The girl that I have in my heart.
Thank you.
Monday mo Debbie. So I'm sure na nakapag-usap kayo ni CJ regarding yung competition. So ano yung advice niya na pinaka-tumatak sa'yo?
Advice niya, ang dami ng advice na binigay sa akin ni CJ the last time. Pero siguro ang pinaka-tumatak sa akin ay be genuine, be authentic. Because all of the girls are hungry for the crown. And what you can offer, Ate Emma, is your personality. As long as you're genuine, as long as you're authentic, the organizers and Mr. Nawat will see that. Makikita niya kung gaano ka kauhaw at kung gaano mo ka-deserve yung crown.
Thank you.
Hello po.
Yeah, you're about to take the grandest pageant in the whole world. It's very, very soon. So I'm wondering, which activity in Miss Grand International are you looking forward to participate?
I'm looking forward to participate in the closed door interview because I'm excited and both nervous because I don't know kung anong question yung itatanong sa akin ni Papa Nawat this time. But I'm excited kasi it's a one-on-one interview with Papa Nawat and the organizer. So yun siguro yung pina-excited ako. Kasi yun na yung time that I can share my own story.
What about dun sa other segments like the Grand Voice? Meron ka bang niluluto na...
I think for this year, they don't have the Grand Voice. What do they have is the Grand Talent na. So, pinalitan na siya for this year. Buti na lang, di ba? Pero kahit Grand Voice, yan nilalaban natin. Pero ngayon, I think parang few days pagka-arrive namin doon, magkakaroon na ng audition for the Grand Talent. Meron siya na audition na magaganap. So for this one, kung sinong gusto, for today, kung sinong gusto mag-audition for the Grand Talent, mamimili sila, tapos meron na naman another audition. So parang ganun siya mangyayari. But we're ready.
Alright. With your answer a while ago about Papa Nawat, sa tingin mo, with who you are right now and what you can offer to the organization, sa tingin mo, pagdating sa arrival dinner, confident kang magugustuhan ka ni Papa Nawat?
I wouldn't say confident, pero I'm hoping na sana magustuhan tayo ni Papa Nawat with the personality that I have. Kasi ang gusto mong ipakita doon, hindi yung parang another bida-bida-bida. Parang gusto ko ipakita doon is yung kung anong meron talaga si Emma na hindi pa siguro niya nakikita sa isang queen. Yung mapapa-wow siya. Sana sa personality na ipapakita natin sa kanya. Pero makakasali lang tayo doon kung mag-vote ang sambayanan. Diba? Kaya yun po na yung i-hope natin na makasama tayo sa leader. So I'm asking for your support there.
Feeling ko naman, kasi maganda na yung relationship ng Filipino fans and the organization. So, hindi na mahihirapan mag-convince among the fashion fans themselves na to rally behind you in every activity for the competition.
Thank you. You know what? I'm also grateful kasi kinikilig ako, totoo lang, kapag nire-repost ni Papa Nawat yung ibang story ko. So, doon parang sabi ko na, Papa Nawat, sana naman.
Sige, we're looking forward to that for more stories for Papa Nawat to repost about.
What popular or unique Filipino items or custom or tradition would you like to bring to Thailand that most of people there are not aware of?
Siguro, I'll focus na lang dito on the item, no? Kasi if I will talk about the Filipino trade, it's all about us being palaban. Our resiliency also. So, parang alam naman na yun eh. Pero siguro kung item, what I'm going to bring there is a handmade item by my mom that I will give to the girls and Papa Nawat. So, abangan niyo kung ano yung ibibigay ko na yun. It's not the usual thing that you will see sa store because I really made sure na maramdaman ng candidates and Papa Nawat na I am really excited to meet them. So, dala-dala ko yung handmade item na gawa ng mama ko and papa ko going to Thailand.
Sana all mabigyan.
Ma, baka nanonood yung nanay ko dyan. Ma, baka daw mamigyan yung media. Oh.
How grand is your preparation and how grand are your wardrobes?
Hello, we're talking about preparation. Siguro naman you can see on my Instagram page and my Facebook page that we're doing a lot. No, it's not just, minsan nga sasabihin ko, parang kunin yung 24 hours a day para magawa lahat yun. So I hope nakatutupin kayo doon. Another one is the amazing Bangkok series that we did. And gaano ka-grand ang aking OOTDs? Ooh, nakikita niyo naman siguro, judging pa lang, no? So, tingnan na lang natin yung mga pasabog na OOTDs na ilalabas natin because we're working with a lot of Filipino designers and I'm thankful that I have good people, good team behind me. Vico, kaya wala siya dito, is busy doing the wardrobe thing and with the help also of ALB, ayan, alam niyo namang walang pinapalampas si ALB pagdating sa OOTD, chine-check niya lahat. So, abangan na lang natin ano yung mga ilalabas natin na OOTDs with different Filipino designers. Yung iba, hindi ko pa nakatrabaho na designer, pero na-excite ako kasi nag-yes sila for this.
And, okay, wait.
Okay, go.
Emma Mary Tiglao, why should you be the next Miss Grand International?
I should be the next Miss Grand International 2025 because I have the courage, I have the compassion, and I have the heart to serve the grand world. And I am here to inspire, be the voice, and be the eyes of the people. I hope that you will trust me because this grand organization, I am ready to work with you.
Introduction.
Wow! To my fans, to my friends, my family, my Amazonas family, my team, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. I can see your love, your support, na yung iba nga parang natataranta na kasi kapag nauumusan na tayo ng ibang country sa likes, no? Pero Maraming salamat. As long as you're there, as long as I can feel your support, ilalaban natin ng buong buo, ilalaban natin ng grand ito. Maraming salamat po. I love you all.